Carolina. Hey, Carolina. Hey, girl. Hey. Aw. Aw. Can you do the... My phone keeps on buzzing. Can you do the... Yeah. Can you do the leg thing? Yeah, there you go. There's the leg thing. You're doing the leg thing. Such a cutie. Puppy, puppy, puppy. Scratch, 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 scratch. Such a cute puppy, I swear. Gosh. Oh, man. Aw. Hey, Carolina. Licky licks. Aw. I don't know how old Carolina is now. Pretty old. Puppy, though. Still a puppy. And I give the best scratches. Let's get right up in there to the schnoz. They don't like the camera. See, dogs are notoriously superstitious, and it's like, don't look directly into the camera, or else it will steal your soul. And oh my God, oh, look at that! It's all daintily licking my hand, but there's slobber everywhere. It's like, oh my God, your hand tastes amazing. I think like barbecue sauce. My knee! That really tickled. Okay. Oh God, my hand is just covered in slobber. Okay, puppy, puppy pups. Say goodbye. Oh. Okay, well, they're leaving. I guess that's a goodbye. Oh, no, they're bringing it on back. Okay. More licks. Okay. Okay, say goodbye, Carolina. Arr. 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 No? Okay. Goodbye.